All right, guys. So before I continue, let's do small revision before we continue. So we don't do strata. Now I'm going to show you guys some pictures and we'll continue from there. Let me see if I still remember what I teach you about strata. All right. So how many of us there? Four of us. So then again, if you have your friends that you want to, please, you can spread my contact around. You can tell them that we are doing classes, they can join also. All right, guys, who can I call? Okay, let us start from Mrs. Folua. So, my sister, how many carejata can you see here?
Okay, come.
Eh?
Karijata is two Karijata,
Sorry, I don't hear you. How many carejata you see?
two.
Two carejata. You say two. All right, let me call now.
Yes,
Mr. Endurance, how many carejata can you see here?
One Kaljata,
Mr. Tangod, how many carejata can you see here?
Two.
Mrs. Okay, iPhone, how many carejata can you see here? Hello, who is using iPhone? Please let us on our mic because for this class, we ask questions. All right. So, no be two carejata dey here. For my last line, it's true I've not sent the videos. I've not sent the videos, yes, but I'll try my best and send the video this night. No be two carejata then, only one carejata dey here. And I told you guys that what is a carejata? From the borderline to the borderline. Nine be carejata. From borderline or from borderline to Traffico. This line we dey here for the center, no be borderline. It is just defining the sense of movement. It is defining the sense of movement. Guys, if you don't do practice, you're not going to learn this thing. And if you don't learn it now, it's a problem. So whenever they tell you, say, una strada doppio senso, now this kind of situation. But here now one carreggiata dey here. No be two carreggiata, just one carreggiata 9 day here. Please don't forget, only one carreggiata dey there, not two. Now, let me start again. Let me start from, please, on your mic, if we call you, please, you have to answer. You have to on your mic. Please, na class we dey. Na class we dey. If you don't want to stay, you come out. All right, Mrs. iPhone, how many Corsair can you see, Emma? Or sir? Okay. Good evening, ma. How many Corsair can you see here? iPhone. I mean, is this Miss Annabelle?
I want to hear you well.
Okay. Where they hear you, my
Yes,
sister?
I can hear you. It's just because I'm inside bus.
Okay, there is my boss. All right. Mr. Tango, sorry, sir. How many Corsair can you see here?
Not the last time I come late, so I not to understand the cassia.
No, man, okay. We are coming. Mr.
I make
Enjoy,
up the expect
how
that
many
video
Corsair?
before.
Eh?
I make up the expect the video so you post am is at
Okay, yeah, sorry for that. I never send videos. Yeah, I will try my best. Not tiredness.
okay, boss.
Actually, guys, I want to tell you something. For my YouTube channel, these videos did already. You can go to my YouTube. And I never ask, say, I want you guys to be asking questions. Not ask me. I go take a YouTube channel. These videos did already. We get part one, part two, part three. But I'll send it there again. I'll send it there. All right. Mr. Endurance, how many Corsair can you see here?
focus, yeah.
Four Corsair. All right. Now, four Corsair dey here. How you go take no Corsair? Students, please follow me once and for all. May I teach you this thing once and for all again? For those who never understand this thing, it's very important that you know am. Because
Okay.
if you learn Nana for you, and I have to go to the next stage.
Yeah.
Watch. Wetin be carreggiata? Look at this video. Look at this picture I'm showing you. A carreggiata
Yes.
is what? From the borderline of the road up to the borderline. Wetin be borderline? From the margin. The margin line, this is where they drive now, where it is where cars they drive. From the margin line of the road to the other margin line. And it is made of a continuous line. The margin, wetin be margin? The borderline. No be the center, the borderline. Everybody bring out your pen and paper. Patente, no be like Sunday school. Even Sunday school, you have to write things down. You go to write and down. Now class we did. When I write and down, because anything we write down, it will help you. From the borderline to the borderline. That is a carreggiata. First definition. Second definition. From the borderline to the spartitraffico. And I showed you guys what is spartitraffico, the guardrail. These are the two definitions of carreggiata. Man, shown on that thing again. Carreggiata is what? From this borderline to this spartitraffico, or from the borderline to the borderline. From the borderline to the borderline, of from this borderline to the spartitraffico. 9B carreggiata. Now, what is a corsia? Let's go back. Corsia is simple, something like this. Very, very easy. Look at this thing you are seeing here. From the borderline to borderline, 9B carreggiata B. What is a corsia? From the borderline, it doesn't matter what's in the drawing side. It can be a continuous line. It can be a discontinuous line. It can be double continuous line. It can be any line. Corsia now waiting from this borderline to the other line. 9B corsia. From the other line to the borderline, 9B corsia. So here we get two corsia. This is the first method of understanding corsia. Second method, I want to teach you second method. Second method, you have to count how many lines you see there. Minus and with one. So how many lines can I see? I can see 1, 2, 3. Minus and with 1 are 2. So now 2 corsia there. So it's left for you to choose the example.
Okay. Yeah, you come from this first line, take calculator 1, from
yes,
the other side 2.
Exactly. My showing on that one. Guys, follow me. Oh, I'm here to help you guys. Now let us do on that one. Let's do on that example. All right. Let me use this one. Okay, let me start from Mr. Tangled. Most start from the corsia. How many corsia you see here? This is what you go see for road. Realistically. How many corsia we go see for road? Say for here.
2 there.
Look am very well. I say corsia, not carreggiata. When I teach you now.
Now 4.
All right. My ask you again. How many? Okay. Let me ask other people. Mrs. Ifolua. How many? No. Let me ask. Let me leave you for now. Mrs. Annabelle. Just give us your answer. I know that you don't know them because the other time you were having difficulty. How many corsia can you see here?
That is 9 corsia.
9 corsia.
Yeah.
Mr. Endurance. How many corsia can you see here?
7 corsia, no verse.
Okay, you say 7
corsia.
Eh?
7.
Mr. Endurance and 8 corsia. Students, we get 8 corsia here. 8 corsia. My teacher again the method. Mr. Abe, if you don't understand me, you follow me. What will be the corsia? Watch. Please, everybody pay attention. From this line to this line at the first corsia. I tell you, say, no matter. Just from one line to another line at the corsia. From this line to this spartitraffico, or from the line to the borderline we know they see. Now that corsia. Yeah, we get 2 corsia here. From the spartitraffico to this line, now the third corsia. Please, Mr. Tangled, follow me, I beg. Because you never know this thing. The other line to this line, fourth corsia. From this line to this line, 5th corsia. From this one to this one is the 6th corsia. From this line to this line, 7 corsia. From this line to this line, 8 corsia. So we have 8 corsia here. Second method. Count how many lines can you see there? Lines I can see here is what?
9, 7. Yeah, don't calculate them.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus and with 1. 8 corsia.
It could be 8, yes.
So guys, Mrs. Annabelle, I don't teach that this thing a lot. So it's time for you to do practice. If you don't do practice, child, that's still Arab. You don't go understand them. You have to do practice. And none of them don't do quiz up till now. Let's answer that question again. Now, Mr. Tangled, how many carreggiata you see here? I want to show you something. This flower we see here. This flower you're seeing here this is what you see in your exam. Because in your exam, you will not see spartitraffico. Because spartitraffico is a realistic picture of what you see on the road. But when you see pictures, now what you go see for exam, they will put flower there as picture, green thing. And that green thing then as spartitraffico. I remember I told you guys that carreggiata is what? From the borderline to the borderline, or from the borderline to the spartitraffico. Now, for what I just explained to you now, how many carreggiata can you see here?
Not 2.
2 carreggiata.
Yeah.
Mrs. Annabelle, how many carreggiata can you see here? Mrs. Annabelle,
It's two carreggiata.
Mrs. Ifolua, how many carreggiata can you see here?
Because you see that green line thing. It's supposed to be one.
Is I don't know. I think is one.
You
There
say
is
1.
one. Yes.
And they come. Well, Ben, Mr. Endurance. Mr. Endurance, you don't do my class before.
Yes.
Okay. Don't forget yourself. How many carreggiata you dey see here?
To carry data focus, yeah.
Carreggiata dey here. Wait, no, leave Kosia for now. Now, 2 carreggiata dey here. Please, guys. Now, 2 carreggiata dey here. 2
Sir,
carreggiata.
please, I don't understand.
Because it's supposed to be one.
Why?
Because
Please, I
you
want
Why?
to
all
say
explain that,
something.
as you explain, say this one, this same time one, is different from the other one.
Now, watch.
Please, I want to say something. Can I say something?
Yeah.
Because this picture that you showed us now, the one that you showed before is the same thing as this one.
No,
And
no.
I said it was two Karijata. You said it is one. I
No.
said it's one Karijata. You said it's two.
Okay.
Now this one I say is
Okay. Let me ask you a question. Why is it 1 carreggiata?
because you said it's from one borderline to one another line. Now this
What's the
one
second definition? What's the second definition of carreggiata? Remember, say from the borderline to the party traffico. This green thing with the here, waiting in B. That's why I said it if
is flower.
I had to explain that green thing here, na party traffico. You know the problem here, if you don't write hand down, patente, if my sister an opportunity again, more not like old students, we know the write things down. Write hand down. If you don't write hand down, you go hard. More do them again. Definition of carreggiata again. And I'm about to, because if I leave this part, I don't dey go further. See, we don't dey spend time here. What's a carreggiata? From the borderline to the borderline. My sisters, my brothers, this thing where they write, where they draw for here, I don't explain what it be. Might even pretend, might ask question. Let me ask question. Okay, Mrs. Annabelle. Hello, Mrs. Annabelle. Hello.
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay, ma. What is the reason why did they put this discontinuous line in the center? Please, everybody, more be attentive. Please be attentive, guys. So we understand this thing once and for all. Mrs. Follower, pay attention. Why them put this continuous line for the center? Waiting indicate. I teach you that last time, even though I never sent the video, I take my time explaining them. Why them put this continuous line for the center? If you as you dey for road now with your wonderful car, you can't see this continuous line for the center. Waiting they indicate, waiting they try to tell you, my sister.
But I know the way you do that one, but now to yours to stay your line now.
No, no waiting they mean. All right, Mrs. Follower, watch. Discontinuous line for the center. I want is waiting she asked me. I want to ask question and we arrive them together. Discontinuous line for the center. Waiting they indicate. Mrs. Follower. Hello, ma.
Best way this happens.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
I hear you, ma. Waiting this discontinuous
Yes.
line indicate.
Okay. I think it means you are allowed to change your lane or
But
overtake.
waiting they indicate now. You get waiting they indicate. Waiting they indicate. Just tell us the word. No, it's food outside though. It's food outside.
Okay. So I don't know.
Aha. Mr.
But it means
Endurance.
you can overtake and you can
Oh,
turn like
no, wait. Tell us what it mean first. What did that discontinuous line mean? Let's start from there first. What does that discontinuous line mean?
ah, Jesus.
All right, Mr. Endurance. Discontinuous line in center of the data. What do you mean? As it day here now.
It means the road is
Can I
senso
say
unico.
something?
I dey come. He said the road is what?
Senso unico.
Abe, Muna, write. See what my brother talk. This is not the answer. The road is senso unico. Please write it down once and for all, students. The answer to this question is that why them put this continuous line for the center means that road na senso unico. We'll talk am for our last class. It's very, very important so now know this thing. Oh, honestly. They put this continuous line for the center of the carreggiata. It means that road na senso unico. Because when you dey for road, you don't go see anybody will come and tell you, say, hey, My brother, my sister, na senso unico. Na so road be. Discontinuous line for the center of the cardiata means senso unico. Now, student, now you don't know say it means senso unico. You no go say from here to here na cardiata. You now know the meaning of discontinuous line in the center of the cardiata. What does it do? It only define the sense of movement. Senso unico means one-way movement. Mr. Tangot means all cars they go the same direction. Is it clear now? That is why they
Yes.
put discontinuous line for the center. E get person wey never say understand this thing.
What do you
Hello,
call the name again?
senso unico. Senso unico. Mr. Bebra, write am down. For this class, we dey jot things down. Senso, you go hold your bar and paper. Discontinuous line for the center of the cardiata means senso unico, means one-way movement. All the cars are going the same direction. Now, watch. I want to answer that question. Ms. Foluwa, I'm about to answer your question with question. I'm going to answer your answer with question. If they can't put continuous line for the center here, pretend say continuous line dey here. Everybody, Mona pretend say, assume that continuous line dey for the center. Mr. Tangod,
I deal with you.
just assume say continuous line dey here. Continuous line dey for the center, like this picture. Watch. Why is this picture? Watch, my brother. This is borderline to borderline. For the center, they can't put continuous line. Wetin e mean? Continuous line in the center of the cardiata, what does it mean?
That center and we did it. So now you tell me us na sensory
No.
iniquity, abi.
This line wey dey here, e dey different from this one. Wetin you see the difference? This one, see.
Okay, this one gets different gap. Why
You don
this one
see am,
just
that
dey
one get
straight?
gap, abi? They call am
Yes.
discontinuous line. Why this one na just continuous line? You dey see am now. Now, my brother, I
Okay.
get question for you. Having continuous line in the center of the cardiata, what does it mean? Why you think about am? Mrs. Foluwa, having continuous line in the center of the cardiata, what does it mean?
Okay, it means that I've said this before now. It means that
It means doppio sensu.
You
it means
know,
you are
It
not
just
allowed
mean
to
doppio
cross
sensu.
the road.
Your
It
sense.
means you are
No,
not allowed to
no,
cross.
no go too far, my sister. It means doppio sensu, first of all. Let's start from there. It means doppio sensu. We'll start from there first, before we enter rules and regulation. Doppio sensu means say car go dey go here, car go dey come back here. Abeg, write am down, everybody. My sister, write am down. It means doppio sensu. And wetin e mean, first of all? Please, now, who dey make noise? If you know you can,
move yourself.
please, guys. Continuous line in the center of the cardiata means doppio sensu. It means say car go dey go here, car go dey come back here. Una no write am down. All right, let's continue. It means say car go dey go here, car go dey come back here. I never even tell una rules and regulation about this one. Mo just know say doppio sensu means say there's a continuous line in the center of the cardiata. I'm going somewhere. Me, I go ask question after. Second example. If you can't get double continuous line in the center of the cardiata, it also means what? Doppio sensu. Mr. Tangod, watch. I get question for you. Now you don't understand, say, this double continuous line and continuous line for the center mean doppio sensu. You can never say cardiata na waiting from this line to this line. No be cardiata. Is it clear now? Now you don't understand wetin that line for center they do. Is it clear, everybody? Mrs. Folu and co. E get person number
We dey hear you, they hear you.
e get person number on something I explain. That line for the center, they only tell you say that road na senso unico doppio sensu. E no dey divide the road because cardiata is what? From the borderline to the borderline or from the borderline to the spartitraffico. I get question for the whole class. Is there spartitraffico in this road when I see here? Might start from Mr. Tangot. You see spartitraffico here?
Yes.
Mrs. Folua, you see spartitraffico here?
Sir?
Yes, ma'am. You see spartitraffico
No,
here?
sir.
Eh?
No.
All right.
No.
Mrs. Annabelle, you see spartitraffico here?
Yeah.
Where you can see spartitraffico? Where you see am? Spartitraffico no dey here. Now we say, I never understand what is spartitraffico. Spartitraffico no dey here. See spartitraffico. Might show it is spartitraffico. Might show na again. Spartitraffico na guardrail. You see guardrail for that thing.
So you get three things now. Like this one, I get guide. The other one be like what's the flower? Why the other one go be the
Follow me.
white line?
Exactly. That's when I write things down. If you see patente, I know what they teach you and I go they do on that things. If you want pass this thing in 4 months, you just need to when I teach, just sit down. Sit down, hold your bar and paper. Now how you go take, if you dey waka dey do things, e go hard. E go dey, and na very simple thing o. Pandemic na
Yeah,
very
yeah.
simple thing. Una dey follow me. Guardrail no dey for inside here. Are you following me now?
Yes.
Definition of carejata. If you don't dey pick am, now waiting. Please watch from the borderline to the borderline, or from spartitraffico to spartitraffico. Second definition of carejata. Or you say third definition from borderline to spartitraffico. Guys, if spartitraffico no dey there, no be carejata. It is not a carejata. All right, guys. Make I show now that example again. So, what we don't see now? We don't see one example of sensor unico, abi? All cars are going the same direction. And I'll show you guys two examples of doppio sensor. A continuous line in the center and double continuous line in the center. Two of them mean doppio sensor, abi? But never you say doppio sensor now waiting from this borderline to this place. No. Now you don't understand what it mean. I go ask question now. Might see if I don't pick up. Me, I will ask question. Now, might start from Mr. Tangod. Mr. Tangod, watch. How many? No verse. So me, I ask question. No verse.
Yeah.
I go finish with question until
Very
you
good
understand
now.
that. How many carejata you dey see here? From which I explain to you. Mrs. Annabelle, prepare.
Six.
No. Look am very well. I don't know that answer. Look am very well.
Four.
Apply which I just teach you of carejata now. I give you two definitions of carejata, or three self, two definitions of carejata. Apply am here. I tell you say carejata na waiting. Might give you a definition again. Now from the borderline to the borderline. First definition. I know they don't write am down. No. Second definition, from the borderline to the spartitraffico. Now be second definition of carejata. Now my brother, apply it to I just teach you here. Now that flower you see here, now what you go see for your exam? Now be spartitraffico. Because for road you go see you go see guardrail. But for your exam you go see flowers there, this green thing. Now my brother, apply the knowledge of which I just teach you now. How many carejata can you see here?
Two.
Two. Mrs. Folua, how many carejata can you see here?
Two. 1, 2.
Is
1, 2.
hey, this thing is confusing me.
It's
It's
but not
true.
2.
It's true.
Not 2. Because that green line cut it there
Mrs.
now.
Annabelle, how many carejata you see here?
Actually, this is one carigata.
Now two carejata dey here. My sister, you never still understand.
Because from that first place
No,
to the other
because
side, 1. Why did I copy 2?
Exactly. From the borderline to the spartitraffico. Second definition of carejata. From the spartitraffico to the borderline. I don't know what they had for this thing.
no,
Guys,
because I was
yeah.
thinking maybe it's from borderline to borderline. I said one.
No, but I
one,
told you I don't give that two definition. From borderline to borderline or from borderline
that
to
is one
spartitraffico.
carigata. Yeah. Okay. Excuse me.
No problem. But if I know me, I go further. And if I okay, but I don't know that I will do quiz later. If I know it's a problem if I go because if you don't understand, you don't understand a lot. You don't understand 60%, 70% of patent. I know they lie to you. On that question, might start from Ms. Annabelle. How many Corsair you see here? Look am very well. I don't teach you all these things. I don't teach you Kadejat, I don't teach you Corsair. Then we'll go further. How many Corsair can you see here?
It's 4 Corsair.
Mr. Tangod, how many Corsair can you see? Hello, my brother. Hello, sir.
Wait, 6.
Right. Mr. Uwa, Mr. Elvis, how many Corsair can you see?
6.
All right, guys. Now 6 Corsair. Mrs. Annabelle, you never understand this thing. And you go, I go give you homework. You go do quiz this night. You go do quiz because I don't teach you how to do quiz. At least you. You go do quiz and you go send them you go do quiz for your quiz traductor on Carejata, only on the first topic, Strada. And only 10 questions there. You go do quiz on that thing. Send them. So if you want, you can even do quiz, you can even do Karijata and do Kosia. And guys, me and Una see there for Strada. We don't dey use one stone keep plenty birds. And many of them don't understand them. We dey use one stone. We've not even entered Karijata, we've never entered Kosia, but we are already started doing Kosia and Karijata. But we see there for Strada. See, the funny thing, I want to understand something. The funny thing is, I see there for 2 sentences. I never even go further. I see there for here. See where I still there. I see there for this paragraph. I never even go more. I never even go far. But I don't even go far explaining a lot of things. So it's better you understand it. Because if at a time I will start running. No, because I'll start going further. So please, I want you guys to understand this. And now we're there for the same level. Somebody ask question. No, sir. All right. Some people never still understand this thing. How will take do them now? All right, let me show you guys this funny one. It's tricky, but it's very simple. This one, the last one I go do because we need to go further. Guys, please, Mr. Tango, everybody and co. I'm gonna tell our friends so they do less. We don't start class. And I go send now all the details later. You can tell your friends, you can share the word around so that we can be much here. All right, let's continue. Okay. Might start from Miss Annabelle. See this thing what they show you here. How many Karijata did they see here?
How many? Say how many Karijata?
Yes. Look and well. Not just tell me the first week of your mind. Just look and very well. I want me to focus. Look and very well.
This is 3 Karijata.
Mr. Tangod, how many Karijata can you see here, sir?
That they come. 4.
Mrs. Ife, how many Karijata can you see here?
History.
Mr. Elvis, how many
Wait to
Karijata can you see?
1.
3.
That wait to no 4 now.
Okay, at the come. Mr. Elvis, Mr. Tangod, why you say 4? Now 3 Karijata they here. Now 3.
1.
I want to
2.
understand how you say now 4.
I
What do you
calculate
count?
from this. I
Probably you
calculate
can't from here to
this.
here, you can't this one, B. You can't and 1,
Yes.
B. You can't count
Yes.
from here to here, B.
2. Yes.
But why you can't like that? Watch you. Where I teach you Nana, see. I just teach you something very important for this class. See, sorry, you got to show you here about doppio senso. Sorry, not be here. Sorry. Now yeah, I teach you this thing. That thing where you see here, you see double continuous line. Why you can't from here to here? You can't count them as Karijata.
Okay, I'm not supposed to put on.
That double line where they see inside here, no be Spartan traffic. It only tell you say this road na doppio senso. It only define the sense of movement. Might go back to where I was before.
Go back ahead. Yeah. Wait, my phone calculator.
Try again.
1. Yes, now 3. I don't understand because that 2 line could go there. Now you calculate that from here 1 to that green one, from
Exactly.
there to the other one, from there to the last one.
Sincerely,
so now
guys, you get person here will never understand Karijata. Because I'm about to move on. I get on that question now. Mrs. Annabelle, how many courses here they see here?
That is, I think it's 4 course, yeah.
Eh?
That is 4 course, yeah.
Okay. Mrs. Ife, how many courses here they see here?
That is it me you are calling.
No,
Am
now
I the
you.
one that you are
Mrs.
calling?
Ife, now you are the call, Mrs. Follower. How
There
many
are many
courses here?
courses, yeah.
Eh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it was 8 courses here.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, Mrs.
Now
Annabelle,
8.
I want to understand. I want me explain to how you take See na 4 Corsia. So my understand the way Miss my brother
Sorry,
take.
I made a mistake. I count that discontinuous lines.
No, but I want understand how you take on. I'm before. How you take the can Corsia? Because you need to understand this thing.
Sorry,
Corsia
I
na
said I
waiting.
made a mistake. I count that
See, I'm watch
discontinuous
from the borderline,
lines.
from this borderline here to this line here. Now the first Corsia. Just they count the line where you see the thing where they for inside the line. From this line here to this one, now the second Corsia. From
Ah,
this line here,
okay.
this one, now the third Corsia. From this line here, to this one, the fourth Corsia. From this line here, this one, the fifth Corsia. From this guy to this guy, six Corsia. From this guy to this guy, seven. From this guy to this guy, eight. This is the first method. Second method. Count how many lines they there. One, two, three, four, five. Even though it's not double line, now still one, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Minus out one, na eight course here. Guys, very, very important. Lastly, to close this topic, now, I want somebody to explain to us why they call this in carreggiata senso unico. Mr. Elvis, can you explain to the class why they call this carreggiata senso unico di circolazione?
Because of that discontinuous line, it's saying that every vehicle is going one way.
Thank you very much. I was saying I clap on for him because we dey clap on for this class sometime. Yes. He explained it very, very well. Yes, guys, write them down. Because of the discontinuous line, the center of the carreggiata. Now, why they call this carreggiata? Carreggiata senso unico di circolazione. Please, I want you guys to write this in down. It's very, very important. Because the book tells us say una strada can be divided into senso unico and doppio senso. Now, this carreggiata na waiting na senso unico. Why? Because of this continuous line in the center. When you dey drive with your wonderful car from next year, you no go see any human being go come and say, hey, you dey for senso unico. How do you know as a driver? How we take know who wey dey drive? Now, when we see this continuous line for the center, we know say we dey for senso unico road. I have another question. Mr. Tangod, why they call this carreggiata doppio senso di circolazione? In your opinion?
Like, sorry, I know you know artist is there. I not to know. I don't laugh for you.
Now, let me try. They call them doppio senso. Look am very well. Or might tell you. Look at this picture now. See this picture. I want to show you something else. Just climb that picture. For road, now this thing you go see. That picture I just showing you, the same thing, the same thing of this guy. It's the same thing, just that this is the realistic thing you see on the road. Now watch. From this carreggiata to this carreggiata here, now senso unico, they go the same direction. I don't tell now yesterday. I even told you guys the name they call them. They call this guy Marcia Normale on the right lane. They call him Marcia Ordinaria. Please write it down. Corsia Destro. This guy, the left lane, they call him Corsia di Sorpasso. Miss Annabelle, you don't write these things down. Patente, you no go listen to me. I dey disturb my student to me are wicked. You go dey write things down, no. Mona write things down. I go disturb now. Many of them dey write things down. They call him Corsia di Sorpasso, Corsia Sinistra. What is this carreggiata? From this Spatitrafico to this guy, this is a carreggiata, B. Now, how is the movement here? Because of this continuous line here, these two vehicles, they go one direction. Abi? Now, because of this double continuous line, the thing will can't change. From this Corsia to this one, they will go on that direction. And they call this carreggiata doppio senso. The same thing here. They're going in the same direction. Because of this continuous line. Is there anybody here who don't understand what I explain? All right, guys. Let's
We
continue.
dey try follow up. Oh.
Eh?
I say we see the child the learner and they go small
Yeah.
and small now.
Yeah. All right, guys. That's it for that one. Now, let us continue. Now, they can tell us now, say, a road can be subdivided into plenty carreggiata. Inside a road, they fit to subdivide them into plenty carreggiata. And in this class now, by now, everybody now know what to be carreggiata. They said, so long as say sparti traffic dey there. And it makes sense to all of us, abi? It makes a lot of sense, yes. Now, inside a strada, you will see what? Carreggiata. And like I told you guys, we don't use one stone flip it, we don't know the meaning of carreggiata. Because carreggiata è riservata ai veicoli e animali. It is reserved for both vehicles and animals. And what is vehicle in patente? Vehicle is everything that has an engine and does not have an engine. They call it veicoli. Inside the strada, you can see banchine. Wetin be banchina? We will come there now. They said inside Strada, you go see Bankina. We have 4 minutes, then we'll go for small break. My show na something. What be Bankina? Look at this thing. From this borderline to this borderline, shebi na Karejata. Anything with there outside the borderline. You know, say inside road sometimes you might see Bankina. Inside road sometimes you might see Machape. You know, it's not true that you see everything inside. In this situation here, Bankina waiting from the borderline outside to where they go today, going out of that place, they call them Bankina. Now that place where they drive bicycle sometime. Because you know, you cannot walk inside here just there because car might hit you. You know, if you are going, you can walk here as a pedestrian. Bankina is anything you find. It is situated outside the carriageway. You get person even understand what I explain. So, ladies and gentlemen, you can start doing quiz from your quiz tradoto. If you never sabi do am, call me or call anybody. People will give you my number. They will put you through. Start doing quiz. Now we're there early. Pick up your app. Go to quiz tradoto. You can start doing quiz immediately. Banking nana, those things, anything with the outside the carriagata. Now let us go back. They can say inside the strada, you go see bankina. Now for this class, you don't know what to be bankina. Because it is placed outside the carriagata. Me, I go ask question after. They can say inside bankina. What do you not comprehend? Comprehend means it is where you go see inside strada. They say you go see matchup here there. What will be matchup here there? Now we have two type of matchup here. Guys, follow me. Oh. We get two type of matchup here there. I believe say we don't see these things. Most of you must have seen this in the road many times. We have two type of matchup here there. See, the first matchup here there. Now matchup here there we get pavement. That one they work out with leg. They call it. Please, everybody write these things down. I beg. Check. It's a point I will not beg again. We get what they call every matchup here we get pavement. They call a matchup here the rialzato. Any matchup here we get pavement. They call a matchup here the rialzato. See, I mean get pavement. This one or matchup here in rilievo because you get pavement. That is the height of the matchup. They're bigger than the road. I want to show now on that thing. We can't get on that matchup here the way they call matchup here d'arazo. Let me show you. What do you mean on matchup here d'arazo? Whenever the matchup here there is on the same level with the ground, they call a matchup here d'arazo. A, you give space, R-O-A-S-O. Please write it down because the matchup here and the road, they're on the same level. So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't teach you that two type of matchup piede. We have the one they call matchup piede rialzato or in rilievo. Now me say get pavement. Or we have matchup piede arazo. I don't give you now two types of matchup piede. We don't use one stone, keep plenty bed. Because every word we will see, we keep on breaking it down. So it will be more clearer and clearer. Is it clear now? And this matchup piede is reserved for pedestrian, Abi. Students, we'll soon go for break. We'll go for break for 8 minutes. When we come back, you can put your foot in fire, then we'll continue. Inside Strada, you can get what they call pista ciclabile. What is a pista ciclabile? We'll not see it now, but we'll come for break, we'll go see them. With this now, we'll be through with everything we concern Strada. See, like play. We don't see, there's Carreggiata and the next topic. And we don't already see Carreggiata. Our next topic again is Corsia. We don't already see Corsia. So you can see and say, all this is not refresh, all this we are just refreshing our memory because we don't already see waiting in B. Is it clear? That's why I keep on telling you, you can start doing quiz from Strada, Carreggiata, Corsia with your quiz Tradotto. Leave Pathetic with the vibe for now. Use your quiz Tradotto and do quiz. So guys, see you in 8 minutes time because we'll go break now. Then when we come back, please try to come back early. The time yourself. 8 minutes, you come back. You can, if you want, you can also